Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and you have the page or app action in front of you. If you want a web page shortcut, open Safari to the exact page, then tap the share icon. If you prefer a custom workflow icon, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Once done, name the shortcut clearly so you recognize it on the home screen and prepare an image if you want a custom icon. Now customize the appearance and behavior. In Safari, use Share then Add to Home Screen, edit the title and tap the icon to choose a photo or take one. In Shortcuts, add the action you need, test the shortcut, then open the shortcut settings and choose Add to Home Screen. Tap the icon to pick an image or choose a glyph. Make sure the name is short but descriptive so it fits, and preview the icon to confirm legibility at small sizes. Finish by tapping Add and then check the icon on your home screen. It usually appears in the first available slot. Tap the icon to confirm it opens the page or runs the shortcut. If it launches the wrong thing, edit the shortcut or recreate the web clip with the exact URL. If the icon doesn't show or acts weird, restart your iPhone, confirm iOS is current, ensure the URL uses HTTPS, and then re-add that
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.